Hey, what's up guys? I'm in Colombia right now, in Santa Marta, the city on the Caribbean coast of Colombia. And this is a buñuelo. It's one of my favorite things. It's basically just like a bun with cheese baked into it, and it's incredible. It's one of my favorite Colombian things. I got the Colombian football jersey, and as you can see, there's something unique here. I got my mask. So it is the pandemic, and I am currently traveling in Colombia. So I thought I'd just make a little bit of a video about what it's like to travel in Colombia during the pandemic. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. Hi everybody, as you can see behind me, there's definitely still a lot of people enjoying themselves. I think it's important to take into account the population of Colombia. It's a lot higher than the population of Canada, and it's a smaller country than the States, so there is more densely populated area here. But yeah, there's just a lot more people around having fun, enjoying themselves. Seems like everything's almost normal. Aside from the temperature checks and the writing your name down and the identification checking in the bigger cities, in these smaller parts, everything seems to be pretty cool, pretty chill. Well, this is a good place to film, I think. I'm here in the Grand Playa near Taganga in the Caribbean of Colombia. So right now, with the situation of the COVID virus, essentially what's going on is they have a system in the cities with your identification. And if the number on your identification is an even number, then you're allowed on certain days. And if it's an odd number, you're allowed on certain days. Now, I thought initially that this wouldn't be a problem because I have a passport and 2 other pieces of documentation. Unfortunately, all of my documentation is an even number, so it doesn't really work for me. I'm not allowed in banks and specific locations on certain days. But what can you do? I'll just enjoy places like this. There's no restrictions here. And the other thing is that you have a temperature check in all the places that you enter. Some places write your name down, but everywhere has a thermometer. They check your wrist, see your temperature before you enter. I think it almost goes without saying that the thing to do here is eat seafood. So that's what we're gonna do. And watch this beautiful sunset. Whew. Okay, that was a beautiful day. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. There's one more thing that I'd like to quickly explain to you, and that just simply is the entry requirements to come into Colombia. Now, I'm a Canadian citizen. I know they vary from country to country, but for the most part, the entrance into Colombia is fairly simple. There's one website that you have to check out, and I'm on it right now. That website is migrationcolombia.government.co. So you go to that website, there's a form that you have to fill out. It's a very simple 1-page form, and you just kind of answer a few questions surrounding the coronavirus. You have to fill that form out 24 to 1 hour before you fly, and you have to do the same thing before you leave the country. No COVID test is required to enter Colombia. Just wanted to share that last little piece of information with you. If you're planning on joining me over here in Colombia. Thank you.